Engagement for this important issue. If there are any questions from the media, we'll entertain them. Otherwise, this will conclude. Yes, sir.
So this announcement was made back in July of last year. Why the gap between then and now for watching this?
Well, the funds were held and then the regulations were put in place, and the certification for us as a city and across this nation, the deadline for the certification to comply with the regulations that we would have to act as ICE agents, the deadline for that certification is tomorrow. Thereby, we're asking for relief today. Yes.
All right. So, if the funds were withheld starting this past October, what happened with those programs that were funded by the feds? Was the money pulled from somewhere else, or were they not funded at all?
They weren't funded at all. They've been held until this point where the conditions were created and the certification. So we continue to do the work. We're lacking those funds beginning October 1 of last year up into the present. So we struggle as we have to respond to crime and prevent crime. So $200,000 for the city of Providence and Central Falls, and there's other funding across this state that's having an impact.
So that liaison, for example, was still employed?
Still employed. So one of the pieces for our JAG grant is a social worker that rides with the Providence Police in the front seat as often as possible, so we can divert people that otherwise would be arrested for mental health or addiction problems. That's really effective. It's a model in this country. We've been doing it for 10 years. We continue to do it, but we need the resources to sustain it.
So what happens tomorrow if nothing changes, status quo, tomorrow's deadline comes and goes? Are you forfeit that money, or?
Well, we will not be granted that money. We're in the hands of good lawyers that will be litigating this before this federal district court, and we're hopeful to get some relief. There's a challenge and there's a process for us to challenge that, and it's now in the hands of the court.
Do you need there to be action today, though, with the deadline coming tomorrow?
I'm not the lawyer here, but we filed before the deadline, so we believe we'll get direction from the federal court so we don't lose that money going forward.